What's up guys? The next evolution is coming. So, we have talked about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S22 series, and now, we got some more information about the handset. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's get start the video. So, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will launch next year in January, but the handset is already in news for quite some time now. So, we've heard the phone will have sensor shift technology, much like the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and Samsung is collaborating with the camera maker Olympus to make better use of their sensor shift technology on its next flagship. And now, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is in the news again. The Samsung will use their yet-to-be-announced 200-megapixel camera on their next flagship, the S22 Ultra. Yes, Samsung is working on a 200-megapixel camera sensor. We've heard multiple rumors about it from credible sources, and even Samsung's X-Notes Twitter account mentioned a 200-megapixel camera. Also, the PC Unpacked event has finally revealed. They officially revealed the most powerful Galaxy ever, with 11th Gen Intel Core processors, and one of the model even debuts the brand new NVIDIA RTX 350T GPU. So, we have Galaxy Book, Galaxy Book Pro, and then Samsung Galaxy Book Odyssey, which is the most high-end version of the laptop. It comes with a brand new NVIDIA dedicated GPU for enhanced gaming performance. As for the Galaxy Book Pro series, we have the Galaxy Book Pro, the traditional model, and then we have the Galaxy Book Pro 360, that is actually a convertible PC, and it's the only model that supports S Pen. So, Samsung has definitely created a very slim design. It's super premium, brand new keyboard with an even bigger trackpad, slim aluminum design, and these are definitely Samsung's best and the most premium looking laptops. Anyway, for the display, Samsung Galaxy Book Pro series brings OLED display, is a bright color accurate display with great brightness. Other specs include Dolby Atmos port. If you want to enhance your experience, you can even connect up to 3 external monitors, and if you own a Galaxy Tab S7, you can use that as a secondary screen. As for internal, Samsung is definitely using the best shape that they can use when it comes to Windows machine, and we've got 11th Gen Intel Core i7 and Core i5 processors, making these laptops perfectly capable for gaming and other extensive tasks. As for the pricing, the non-Pro Galaxy Book laptop actually starts at $549. It's rocking a non-OLED display, of course, is that entry-level laptop. Then we have the Galaxy Book Pro series. It comes with 2 different sizes. It starts from $1,000, and then we have the most spec-styled Galaxy Book Odyssey laptop, where the dedicated NVIDIA GPU starts at $1,400. Overall, I have to say, Samsung is finally doing something big with their laptops and smartphone ecosystem, and a lot of that has to do with the software. So, that's all the latest news, and currently there is not much information about the Galaxy S22 is available on the internet, and it would be too early to believe any rumors about the smartphone. It would be recommended to take this information with a pinch of salt, and wait for the official announcement. Anyway, what do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Gotta let you say, 'cause I back it up. So appreciate I could pick it up. And then on the way, don't you know I'm up.